Hello guys, welcome to Solution Mind with JP, our YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to remind you, if you are not still our subscriber, please subscribe our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. That way you can find out our newest video as soon as. Okay, let's start the video.
Okay guys, welcome back to C Language Part 2 video. I hope you have no issue about this tutorial first part. If you have any questions, please settle it before follow this video, because it will be helpful to you clearly understand this part 2 video. If you can't solve that problem, please comment in comment line, I will help to you. Let's go our topics slide. Okay. I think you can remember, already we discuss first 3 topics. In this video, our first topic is number 4th one, it is work with data types. Okay guys, now we move for that slide. Okay. Our topic is how to work with data types and variables in C language. Now let's see what are the basic data types in C. There are int, float, double, char, and bool. Let's see details about this each data types. First one is int data types. It can be used to store integer numbers, values with no decimal places. Second one is float data type. It can be used for storing floating point numbers, values containing decimal places. Next one is double data type. It can be the same as type float, only with roughly twice the precision. Next data type is char. It can be used to store a single character, such as the letter A, the digit character 6, or a semicolon. Next one is bool data type. It can be used to store just the values 0 or 1, used for indicating a true or false situation. This type has been added by the C99 standard, was not in ANSIC. Now you can see, before I was explained data types are, with their sizes and ranges. If you are beginner for C language, please refer this graph slowly and clearly, because, in fracture developing steps, sometime you want to knowledge about this area. Okay, next we talk about how to use this variables in coding. Coding in C, you can use every time variable and data types following structure. First, declare sweet data type of your variable and next declare your variable name. You can see example about this case. Clearly understand it. Okay, next one is, what are the rules we follow for use variable names in C? First one is, variable name must begin with a letter or underscore and can be followed by any combination of letters, underscores, or digits. Second one is, symbols and spaces cannot be used for variables. Next one is, any name that has special significance to the C compiler, reserved words, cannot be used as a variable name. Next one is, variable names can be as long as you want, although only the first 63, or 31, characters might be significant. Anyway, it's not practical to use variable names that are too long. And C is case sensitive, some with simple letters, some with capital S and simple and capital some each refer to a different variable. You can see what are the valid and invalid variable names. Please refer it clearly. Okay guys, this is the practical time. You can see, we have 4 examples. Now, I explain about this example one by one. First one is, write a program in C, to input birth year, thereby calculate and display the age. Okay, let's move our IDE. Before, I was explained you how to create new project in code blocks. I hope you can understand it well. Okay, let's start our first example. First, remove these all. Before start coding, I recheck what other we want to insert details. Insert only birth year, okay. First, I declare variable for birth year and age. I use its data type is integer. Next, I decide what is the message want to show display, and it's enter in printf statement. And, if we want to insert some details, we insert that details in scanf statement. You can see how we want to do it, get time, and understand it clearly, because, if you think about code next stage, strongly you can understand well this stage coding. Now, I write a code, how to calculate age. We all know if birth year, subtract by current year, you can find your age. I use this method, for create age. Finally, what we want to display, that statement include, printf statement like this. Coding style is very important. If you are beginner, first follow this code, and, after change this code, and, try to run code, then you can have a get idea, why we use these symbol like this. I hope to explain, why we use this symbol in next steps. Okay, now I enter random birth year. Now you can see, what is the age, match that birth year. Okay, we done our first example, next, move our second example. Our second example is, write a program to input 2 decimal values, and display the average value. Now, I move again IDE, and create new project for second example. Before start coding, I want to see again what we want to insert. Okay, only input 2 decimal values. Okay, in this time we use our data type is float, because we want to enter decimal numbers. Declare 2 variables for that 2 numbers, and declare another variable for average. Next, enter printf and scanf statement like following. Now, write a method, how to find average, by using that insert numbers. Finally, write a printf statement, with, what is the message, we hope to display to user, look this. Okay guys, enter 2 numbers, then you can see, its average is display like this. Okay guys, we did second example well, now time to move our third example. Our third example is, write a program to input student, admission number, name, marks, of 2 modules, display, the admission number, name, and average marks. Okay, I move IDE again. And, create a new project like this. Before start, I want to see again my example. Okay, this time, we insert student, admission number, name, marks, of 2 modules. Okay, we declare 2 module marks, and, admission number in integer type, and, average mark, declare under float data type. After declare variables, next, write printf and scanf statement, for get data, you can see that code. Okay, I cannot remember get student name. Then first, want to declare variable as name for get student name. Next, write printf and scanf statement like this. Now, write a method for getAverage. Finally, write a printf statement with your message like this. Okay, now you can see, our third example is completed. Now, we can move our fourth example. It is, write a program to input, employee number, name, basic salary and display, employee number, name and new salary. Okay, in this time, we want to insert employee number, name, basic salary. In this case, we want to specially assign a value for variable. I will explain you it in coding time. Okay, first, create a project. Next, declare one variable for admission number, under integer data type. Next, declare variable for name, under char data type. Next, declare three variable, for basic, new and add in salary under, float data type. Next, we assign a value for add salary, because it is not change. Next, write a printf and scanf statements. Next, write a method for calculate new salary. Finally, write a printf statement for display details. Okay, you can see, we did it correctly. Okay, we complete all examples now, it's time to move again next topic. Our next topic is operators. Operator is a symbol that tells computer to perform mathematical or logical manipulation. Now we talk about what type operators we use commonly in C language. There are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, conditional operator, bitwise operator, special operator. Okay, now we can talk about what is arithmetic operators. You can see this graph. If you are beginner, please clearly get idea about this. Next one is relational operators. It is comparison between two operands is done using relational operator. The value of relational expression is either 1 or 0, true equals 1, false equals 0. Also you can follow this graph and get the idea about relational operators. Next one is logical operators. Logical operators are used to test more than one condition and make decision. Expressions, which combines two or more relation expression is termed as a logical expression or a compound relational expression. You can see, mainly using logical operators in this graph. Next one is assignment operators. You can see, there in a graph. Disadvantages are, appears on the left-hand side need not be repeated. The statement is more concise and easier to read. The statement is more efficient. Next one is increment and decrement operates. You can see there with the example. Follow it slowly and correctly. Okay guys, this is the practical time. You can see our example. It is, write a program to input two numbers and display the outputs for following arithmetic operations. There are, addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulates, division. Okay, we can move now, our IDE. Okay, start new project. Declare 6 variable, for 2 numbers, and 4 operations, under integer data type. Next, declare 1 variable, for division, under the float data type, because it can happen decimal transitions. Next, write printf and scanf statement for get details. Next, write a method for get that operation's results. And finally, write printf statement with your message for display to user. Okay, we did it. Finally, I request for, please do this example, again and again, because, coding ability develop only, how much you do it practically. If you have any question, please comment in this video comment line, I will help to you, solve it.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any idea or any question, please comment in this video comment line. Finally, I would like to remind you again, still if you are not our subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. Okay guys, we will meet next video. Bye for now.